Look at this digital void. These multiplying nodes represent thousands of data points that a modern rights holder has to manage. Success today requires navigating the specific complexities of post-MMA licensing while tracking revenue across a globalized streaming landscape. This volume of information creates immediate bottlenecks. Are your artists and labels currently struggling to calculate accurate splits because they're drowning in raw streaming data? Do you suspect your catalog is missing out on international royalties, but find that you lack the specialized resources to actually prove it? Or perhaps you represent a management company that wants to offer publishing services, but the overhead of building an in-house royalty department is too high to justify. Uncollected revenue and expensive accounting errors almost always trace back to these types of back-office administrative gaps. Every hour your team spends wrangling spreadsheets is an hour stolen from the studio or the marketing cycle. Administrative friction creates a ceiling on how much music you can actually get into the marketplace. Since 2011, Royalty Solutions Corp has functioned as the outsourced royalty department for labels and publishers, handling the heavy lifting behind the scenes. This diagram shows a single composition correctly registered across ASCAP, the MLC, and foreign CMOs. Complete registration is the foundation of royalty administration. For existing catalogs, RSC identifies broken links. We conduct fixed-fee audits to examine statements, identifying where income has been underreported. Our team looks for the specific gaps where money typically goes missing, such as streaming reconciliation errors, foreign collection shortfalls, and mechanical underpayments. By combining global registration with targeted audits, you move from having a vague suspicion of loss to having a verifiable claim for recovered income. Beyond registration, there is the daily challenge of ingestion, taking the messy, raw reporting from DSPs and distributors and turning it into something usable. We ingest raw data from Spotify, Apple, and Amazon, normalize it, and organize it into clean, separated revenue streams. We then apply your specific contract terms, calculating splits, recouping advances, and managing reserve structures to ensure every stakeholder is paid accurately. This system handles complex multi-currency settlements and variable rates, ensuring you stay on your payment schedule regardless of the data's complexity. To ensure the data holds up to scrutiny, every statement is reviewed by a human royalty accountant before it is delivered to your artists. Outsourcing the math ensures you meet your financial deadlines with audit-ready accuracy, protecting the trust you've built with your partners. For growing businesses, scaling means more than just processing data. It requires professionalizing the entire client experience. On the left is a branded portal your clients use to view earnings. On the right is the invisible RSC operational engine that powers it. This white label approach allows you to offer end-to-end publishing administration under your own brand, utilizing an enterprise-grade infrastructure without the cost of an in-house team. And if you are preparing for a sale or raising capital, we provide catalog valuations grounded in net publisher's share and discounted cash flow analysis. Whether you are scaling daily operations or preparing for an exit, having a defensible, institutional-grade financial record is what actually drives enterprise value. The way we handle these services is built on a simple distinction. Our entire model is strictly fee-based, not commission-based. This comparison shows the impact on your bottom line. We never take a percentage of your royalties. Because you pay a flat fee for the work, you keep the full margin on the rates you set for your own clients. Partnering with RSC moves the operational burden of royalty math off your desk. You keep the strategic decisions and the direct relationships with your artists, while we run the recurring work that keeps the company moving. Real people doing real work, scaled to your catalog's needs, with absolutely no long-term contracts. The principle is simple. You make the music, we do the math. Visit our website today to request a fixed-fee quote tailored to your specific operational gaps.